analyst calls Ripple, XRP, a dead asset. A well-known analyst in the cryptocurrency community, Josh Olszewicz, has doubts about the viability of XRP from the popular fintech startup Ripple as a viable asset. Olszewicz emphasized the weak performance of the Ripple token, noting that the XRP price has remained almost unchanged since 2018. Therefore, the expert considers the asset dead. In March, XRP attempted a breakout but failed. The cryptocurrency tried to initiate a rally by overcoming resistance at the 66 cents mark. However, due to strong selling pressure, it was unsuccessful. The asset price plummeted below 42 cents. This, in turn, set the stage for a potential fall to the support level at 32 cents. According to Olszewicz, the trading environment for XRP remains very challenging. The editorial team at BN Crypto wrote that the open interest in Ripple dropped by 44% to $497.67 million on May 1st. The price of XRP is currently at the same level as in 2018. It is a dead point, a dead asset. I just do not understand why anyone would trade Ripple unless there are really compelling reasons, noted Olszewicz. Weekly charts and inconsistencies in daily movements indicate a strong bearish trend, the analyst emphasized, adding that this further complicates trading XRP. Friend.tech token plummets over 64% immediately after launch. On May 3, 2024, the team behind the Friend.tech project announced the launch of the Friend token and conducted an airdrop. Within hours of this announcement, the asset's price fell by 64.8%, according to CoinGecko. The protocol developers noted that they had taken a snapshot on April 26, 2024. The asset launch took place on May 3, 2024, alongside the introduction of the second version of the protocol. Among other features, this version introduced a new function called Money Club. These are separate rooms for communities, which will be managed by holders of keys. The block reported that to participate in the airdrop, one must become a member of at least one club and follow 10 users on Friend.tech. Upon the launch of the Friend token, the project team faced criticism. The community pointed out that the asset had liquidity set at 1 cent, significantly complicating the execution of large orders. Data from CoinGecko showed that after the launch, the price of Friend reached a local peak of $3.26. However, the price soon began to fall, dropping by more than 64%. The announcement of the airdrop caused a frenzy in the community, leading to increased activity on the platform. Prior to this, trading volumes on the platform had decreased by more than 95%. Toncoin, TON, resumes growth amid a flurry of positive news. According to SoSoValue, the outflow from spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds on May 1 reached a record high since the approval of these products, amounting to $563.8 million. BlackRock's IBIT recorded negative dynamics for the first time, with a loss of $36.93 million. From Fidelity's FBTC, clients withdrew $191.1 million, more than from Grayscale's GBTC, which saw $167.3 million in withdrawals. The total inflow into spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds since their inception has decreased to $11.2 billion. At the end of April, this figure was reduced by $343.5 million. Bloomberg noted the formation of price discounts on IBIT and FBTC relative to the net asset value. Following the current lull in the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds segment, a new wave of a different type of investors is likely to follow. In the coming months, financial institutions, including pension, targeted, and sovereign wealth funds, are expected to enter the exchange-traded fund market, according to BlackRock. At present, some registered investment advisors already offer BlackRock's IBIT fund to clients, but only on a recommendatory basis. The next step should be the expansion of the product to major consulting firms like Morgan Stanley. The total value of Bitcoin stored in the wallets of various states, public and private companies, amounts to $175 billion, calculated by VanEck. This figure constitutes approximately 15% of the total market capitalization of BTC. Interest in digital gold among institutional investors is growing. Hedge funds and investment companies are increasingly recognizing its potential for capital preservation, noted in the Van Eck report. JP Morgan maintains a cautious stance regarding cryptocurrencies in the near term, citing the absence of drivers and decreasing interest from retail investors. Risk factors also include increased positioning, a high BTC rate relative to the estimated cost of Bitcoin mining, and a low level of startup financing. Traders dealing in Bitcoin options are preparing for a summer lull in the market, noted by Bitfinex. Summer is typically a period of low volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Conversely, Cubed Exchange pointed to the likelihood of increased price fluctuations in the summer due to low liquidity. In the United States, a bill has been introduced regulating the taxation rules for cryptocurrency staking income. According to the proposed norms, staking rewards should be taxed only at the moment of their sale to prevent double payments. MicroStrategy plans to launch a decentralized identification protocol, MicroStrategy Orange, based on Bitcoin. According to the company's founder, Michael Saylor, together with MicroStrategy, we could come closer to the idea of decentralized identification using BTC. Elliptic has developed a system based on artificial intelligence capable of effectively detecting money laundering through Bitcoin transactions. Using external data, the system can identify laundering schemes inaccessible to traditional analysis methods. Toncoin, TON, has resumed growth after a correction amid investments from venture firm Pantera Capital with assets under management of over $5 billion. We believe that TON can bring crypto to the masses, as it is widely used in the Telegram ecosystem, noted by Pantera. On May 2, TON developers announced the integration of the platform with the on-chain analytics service, Arkham Intelligence. On May 1, integration was implemented with the cross-chain platform LayerSwap, which, according to its representative, will allow to send USDC from any network and receive USDT on the TON blockchain. Mining company Stronghold put up for sale. According to the first quarter financial report, Stronghold Digital Mining is considering the sale of the company to maximize shareholder value. The company is considering a number of alternatives to increase its share price, including the sale of all or part of the company or other strategic transactions involving its assets. The firm noted that it has no deadlines or schedule for the strategic alternatives process and that it will not guarantee that any proposals, agreements, or transactions will be executed according to the review of options. Stronghold's CEO, Greg Beard, stated that the board of directors and management have embarked on a comprehensive and thorough analysis of strategic alternatives to maximize value for their shareholders. We observed what we believe to be a misvaluation by comparing Stronghold's market value with the valuations of public Bitcoin mining counterparts, energy trading companies, as well as data center and power production assets traded on the market, he explained. Beard also mentioned that Stronghold owns more than 130 megawatts of fully enabled data center capacity with an installed hash rate capacity of 4.1 exahashes per second, EH/s, and the potential to expand to more than 7 EH/s through high-class upgrades of its fleet using advanced technologies. Unlike most other Bitcoin miners, we own over 750 acres of land with broad access to water and fiber optics. We own transmission lines that connect our assets to the attractive PJM network, and 2 wholly owned commercial power plants have a clean output capacity of over 160 megawatts and significant carbon capture potential, Beard clarified. The CEO added that the existing 130 megawatts of Bitcoin mining capacity could potentially be expanded to over 400 megawatts either for Bitcoin mining or for advanced computations used for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. Stronghold's first quarter 2024 results included revenue of $27.5 million, which is 27% higher compared to the previous quarter and 59% compared to the same period last year. The revenue structure includes $26.7 million from cryptocurrency operations, $700,000 from energy sales, and another $100,000 from other activities. The company added that its fixed costs in the first quarter of 2024 decreased by 11% compared to the same period last year after implementing cost control measures. Fixed costs included operating and maintenance expenses, as well as general and administrative expenses, excluding stock-based compensation. Stronghold reported a net profit of $5.8 million in the first quarter.